Hi there, this is a message for everybody at MD2MD. My name is Anthony Stears. I know a few of you, but for those that don't know me, I'm also known as the telephone assassin. But please don't worry, it's not as aggressive as it sounds. I'm a conversational strategist and I help people, well, stop people from hiding behind their emails and show them how to tackle those difficult conversations. I'm going to be running a workshop for you guys on the 19th, that's Thursday the 19th of September, called Heavyweight Conversations. And we're going to be looking at the conversations that perhaps you've been putting off or dreading, those really big, important conversations that hopefully I can help you figure out how to tackle and get them done and hopefully start exploring more opportunities. Now, these calls could come in all shapes and sizes. You may be in a position where you're looking to sell your business and you'd like to approach people who might want to buy and you don't want to look desperate and not get enough for your business. You could also be in a position where perhaps you're looking to acquire new businesses and grow. You might want to approach some people but not want to look too keen and then pay over the odds. You may have a tricky conversation sort of in the wings with perhaps one of your suppliers or one of your biggest clients if perhaps something has gone wrong recently. There's a variety of different things that we can look at tackling. Obviously, my expertise are usually applied more in a sales environment. So if you've got any sales staff that would like to come onto the call, particularly any sales leaders that can talk about any pipeline constipation that you're suffering with, and we can look at how can you tackle those conversations to help people take action as a result of speaking to you and move people through your pipeline. Hopefully this session is going to prove really useful for you, but you are going to need to bring some examples of your own. The workshop is going to run from 9:30 until 11 in the morning, where we're going to cover all kinds of content. We're going to look specifically at your challenges. Then you've got the rest of the day to go and make those phone calls and see what happens in those conversations. At 5 o'clock, we're then going to have a little check-in where you get to share what happened when you put these techniques into practice. And hopefully once you've had these conversations, we can start to look at some of the opportunities that are starting to present themselves. So make sure it's in your diary. That is the 19th of September. I look forward to seeing you then.